Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Let's get started with the tools you'll need for this repair. You will require a Phillips No. 0 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, tweezers, and an anti-static wrist strap. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any screws. Before you begin, ensure that your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Remove any connected peripherals. If you're uncomfortable performing this repair, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Step 1. Remove the back cover. Start by flipping the laptop over. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the back cover. Keep track of these screws, as they vary in length. Once all screws are removed, use a plastic spudger to gently pry open the back cover, working your way around the edges. Step 2. Disconnect the battery. Locate the battery connector and gently lift it off the motherboard. This is a crucial step to avoid any electrical shorts during the repair. Step 3. Remove the old screen. To replace the screen, locate the screws securing it to the hinges and the bezel. Remove these screws using your Phillips screwdriver. Carefully detach the bezel using a spudger to avoid damaging it. Once the bezel is off, disconnect the screen's video cable from the motherboard. If you're unsure about any steps, our service includes pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transportation. Step 4. Clean the internal components. While you have the laptop open, take a moment to clean out any dust buildup using compressed air. Focus on the fans and vents to ensure proper airflow. This maintenance is vital for the longevity of your device. Step 5. Install the new screen. Take your new screen and connect the video cable to the motherboard. Carefully position the screen in place and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Replace the bezel by snapping it back into place. Step 6. Reconnect the battery. Once the new screen is installed, reconnect the battery to the motherboard. Make sure it's securely connected to avoid any power issues. Step 7. Close the back cover. Align the back cover with the laptop and press down firmly. Replace all screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tight but not overly so. Step 8. Power on and test. Flip your laptop back over and power it on. Make sure that the new screen is functioning properly. If you encounter any issues, remember that we provide a quote before repair, giving you peace of mind about costs. This concludes our tutorial on replacing the screen and maintaining your ASUS ROG Strix G513RM. Following these steps will help you ensure your device runs smoothly and efficiently. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.